Hello, my name is Gerald Rademacher. I'm with XCP Corp. We have a video I'm going to prepare for you here that shows you how to retrofit a standard RV pedestal. This one is a 50-30-20 so that it operates cashless. This is the finished product here. We have a bypass key switch and a green LED that illuminates during the time that it's in the on position vending electricity. This is a UL ETL certified product, so we want to maintain the certification. You have 50 amp relays, 30 amp relays, and a 20 amp relay. What we do here is simply take the electricity, run the breakers, go to our payment system, which is in back of this plate here, and then back down to the outlets. Alright, this is the inside. If you look on the top, we labeled the in-out for 220 volts and 110 volts. We have from the 3 relays going up to, from the circuit breakers to the relays, power in, power out. So what we've done is taken our electricity coming from the breakers, bring them in here like you see here, and then out down to the outlets. Now these are double pole relays. So on 220 we're taking care of our 50 amp over here, and on 110 it's 2 poles, so each pole, one is for 30 amp and one is for the 20 amp, which comes down here. Okay, no modifications are required. It's very simple to install. The assembly goes back in here. You remove the existing wires, install our 22-inch wires. There's 8 of them. Put it back into place. There's one screw in the top corner. You screw that in and it's installed, ready to go. All right, we're going to now take this live and demonstrate how this works. I'm opening up the unit. I have a test plug in here for the 110 just to show you. We have a bypass key switch that I'm able to turn it on. I now have power and my little tester shows all is good. The sunlight's not going to let you see too much with that. Okay, I'm going to use the cell phone to make payment. And what I do, okay, we're ready. There's ER409. I press the button, comes up, there's ER409. Now we have a test on here, so I can do a test for 15 seconds. You press the button and you hear a click, and if you look up there you see the green light is illuminated. It'll operate now for a total of 15 seconds for our test, and then it'll disconnect the 2 relays. Okay. This operates on the Clear Token app. It's used with a cellular app, and make payment with Visa and MasterCard. This one is configured right now to operate for daily and $50 per day. They can have as many days as they want. They make payment and turns on their power for their RV. This is designed for the RV parks. That's what this is for. This is available with the Clear Token app, or optionally you can order this with the NIAX system in it, and where you use a central processing system where you can have 8 of these off of one central timer payment station, 8 of them. This concludes our demonstration. Okay, this concludes our demonstration of our pedestal. Please contact us at XCP Corp 352-678-3021, or go to our website at xcp.com. Thank you.